when you're really high up there, you can like see the top of like so many different types of trees, and you can see like all the ferns growing on the trees.
The forest floor, the trees, that's just very, very interesting. And nature, it's just gorgeous.
It was really nice up there with like the breeze and the mist too. It felt just like it was like a transcending experience. It felt really nice. Yeah.
It is beautiful, and I mean, you see it from the gondola, and you can see how a part of how big it is, and that's really awesome to see.
We live in Melbourne, so it's crowded city. So it's wonderful to be like this, rainforest and enjoy the nature.
But I love trees so much.